guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we wanted a really good lunch, so we asked Lucia what would she recommend, and she recommended this restaurant. This is Lago La Moretta, and it is a wonderful restaurant, a beautiful park-like setting here, and the food we had was absolutely spectacular. They are open every day for lunch and dinner, starting from Wednesday all the way through Sunday. They're closed on Monday and Tuesday, but boy oh boy, when you come here, you're going to have a fabulous meal. Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers and Pete and Lucia. And we are here at Lago La Moretta, and we just ordered. I got, how do you say this in dialect?
Dialect is
Pipe
pipe patan.
Pipe patan. It's peppers and potatoes, which we love. Ooh, and I got a scallopine. I think it's pork with mushrooms. Pete's having only vegetables. No, he's not. And Lucia has, is that chicken or meat?
This is the same as yours.
Uh-huh.
You have it with mushrooms, porcini, and this is with lemon.
Yum, 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 yum. Okay.
Pipe patan.
Pipe patan. It's our favorite. Okay, good. And we'll show you what Pete gets as soon as it gets here. And check this out, guys. This is fried scamorza. Put it on the grill. Oh my God, it looks so good. Look how caramely and delicious. Okay, and look what Pete got. He got the mixed grilled seafood. And you got those little, oh my gosh, what do you got? Cuttlefish there. You have shrimps. You got that funny lobstery thing there. I think it's a langostino, right?
That's sword.
Oh, this is a swordfish here.
Yeah, swordfish. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Dig in, Pete.
Okay.
Okay, and now for the best part. I think it's just a chocolate cake.
Oh, it's delicious.
Looks like it's got snow on. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, it smells good. I can smell it. And then this is a tiramisù, which Pete and I always love. We're going to enjoy this.
Buongiorno, siamo qui al Lago La Moretta. È un'azienda familiare, facciamo un ristorante sia di carne che di pesce. È un piacere se ci venite a trovare.